Good afternoon. Thank you very much for tuning in to a short video on our double or continuous run COF screens. It's the same as our single COF screen, except it uses a divider profile which allows you to keep building in 1 metre bays. It's perfect for if you have a row of till points or a wide reception area that you'd like to cover. It works the same as a single COF screen by being mechanically fixed to a work surface, and it has the same 125mm gap on the base. This system would arrive as a kit of parts, which is very quick and very easy to assemble. For more information or prices, please visit cofscreen.co.uk. Thank you very much for watching.